Okay, guys, here's some more information regarding slide 5, okay? So you just watched a video on slide 4, and these are the directions to complete young Arthur's coat of arms. I embedded the video that explains everything on slide 4. However, what I did was I took the information for box 1, 2, 3, and 4 and included it on your coat of arms. So you're going to click in the text box for each of the boxes, box 1, box 2, box 3, and box 4. And you're going to include the information that I have here. So I've actually included all this information in the box in which you need to respond to. However, you need to delete this information in order to type your own info, okay? So I put this here just as a reminder for you as to what you need to do. So you would need to delete all this information. You can just highlight it, hit your backspace button, and type in the information you want to type regarding what you need to include, explaining how young Arthur evolves with the plot for box number 1, okay? And then you would need to do the same for each of the boxes. Make sure you follow the specific guidelines and instruction. Now for box 4, you need to insert a picture of a symbol that represents young Arthur portraying the theme, whatever theme you chose. If you chose determination, you need a picture that shows determination. If you chose loyalty, then you need to find something that depicts or displays loyalty. And the way that you can insert a picture right from Google Slides, you would go up to Insert, click Insert, then you would click Image. Now, if you have something on your computer, you can click Upload from Computer, but most of you are probably just going to be searching from the web. So you can click on that, okay? And you can, sorry, I just clicked off of it. So Insert, Image, search the web. And whatever you would like to search, obviously I was testing it out to make sure what came up was appropriate. I'm going to type in loyalty. Okay? And here we have some depictions of loyalty. So you can choose one of these if you want. Okay? And if you decide to, let's just say we want to choose the first one. You would click on it and it would say one selected, and then you can click Insert right here. Or you can simply just drag this picture over. It might be really big. Okay, you might just have to make it smaller. You would just take the corner and drag it. You would put it here, make it a little bit smaller if you need. And then obviously you are going to need to type in and explain how this picture or symbol represents whatever it is you chose, okay? But just make sure you do that. And I'm going to get this out of here. So this is slide 5. You need to make sure you type in your responses in each box, but you need to delete what I have here first so that you can follow the step-by-steps. Explain how young Arthur is at the beginning of the story for box 1, how he is at the end of the story, and what events change him. Then in box 2, you need to support your answer from box 1 with evidence. Box 3, what is the theme of young Arthur? So you need to state what you learned. What is the message? And then for box 4, you need to insert that picture. Remember, you're going to go to Insert, Image, and then search the web. And you can search the web for whatever it is you need, depending on the theme that you chose. Obviously, we know that stories can have more than one theme. So just make sure that your picture symbolizes the theme. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know.